Hey there, everyone. I'm Carl with a K, and this is Canine Carl. It's Monday, about 10 o'clock, and we've got this weather going on in Florida. So I don't think I'm going to be going out for any walks today. But if that changes, I'll definitely have the walks included in this video. I hope everyone's doing well. Porky is not in the mood to go outside either. Porky, you want to go outside? Nope, he did not want to go outside. Still have Burley here. Let's go check in on him. So Burley is very much not a fan of the rain. So he's just chilling out in here, which is fine. That's what makes you happy. It's Tuesday morning. We survived the storms last night. It's Burley's last morning here. He's getting picked up soon. And we've got Porky and Honey chilling out over here, enjoying our morning. It was a very, very rainy night. Lots of thunder and lightning and heavy rain. But it actually made for a relaxing evening. I should be able to get my walks in today. So hopefully, I'll have some walk videos for you later. Enjoy! Well, here I am with Ginger and Lucky. It is still a very ominous looking day, but it looks like I got enough of a break to get these two out. And I'm hoping to also get the retrievers out after this. So I hope you're enjoying this video today. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. No, come on. Ginger, come on. No. Come on. Let's go. Ginger, I know. This is our fourth lap. We actually got out for 4 laps today because they were so energetic when we started. But you can see they're starting to slow down a little bit. Especially Lucky. He's getting tired. But the weather is holding off, so it's off to the retrievers after this. If you watch my videos regularly, you might recognize that this looks a bit different. They really did a good job with taking out all the brush, and now you can see the park through the trees here. It looks so much nicer, don't you think? But I'm going to finish up with the dogs here. We're going to get ourselves down to that park, and then wander around a little bit, head back, and I will show you what's going on at the house. We've already been outside. Now everyone's all sleepy. Yeah, Porky is sleepy. Same with Char Char. You sleepy, Char Char? Oh boy. And of course, Stoley's up here on the couch. Hey, Stoley. Are you gonna say goodbye? It's time to say goodbye. Oh, well, they never say goodbye. Goodbye.